Hey guys, Tippy Wyatt here for Tippy Tales. We are in front of Trader Joe's right now, about to do a grocery haul for you. Now they don't allow filming, so we're gonna see if we can make it happen for you, so let's go. We're not gonna pick up fruit, we're gonna go straight to the veggies here. And as far as veggies, let's pick up some spinach here. $1.99 for organic spinach, you can't beat that. That's the one thing I love about Trader Joe's is they have specialty items, not that spinach is specialty, but they do have specialty items here that you could only get here. And they also have really great prices as well. This is one of my favorite sides with any protein. You char it with a little bit of butter or ghee over cast iron, phenomenal. Okay, cauliflower. They usually have cauliflower rice, but they don't have it today, but it's okay. We will rice it ourselves with a food processor. Cremini mushrooms. This is also great with any protein as well. I love snacking on cucumbers. This is one of my favorite things to snack on. $1.49 for English cucumber. Let's go for a nice juicy one that looks great. I know a lot of people try to avoid vegetables when it comes to keto, but I tell you what, I do not. Have as many as you like. Okay, I have as many as I like. Okay, technically tomatoes are fruit. I said vegetables, but Ryan corrected me. Thanks, babe. I want to make jalapeno poppers and we need jalapenos, so we're picking up some jalapenos. I usually go for yellow or white onions. I like personally white onions because I feel like they have more of a crunch to it, but grab whatever is available. So teeny tiny avocados.
Are they really that teeny tiny?
They're really not that tiny. I mean,
They're they're small. Too different.
I saw a recipe on Pinterest for a Alfredo Tuscan creamy chicken. And so they use chicken thighs with the skin, so we're grabbing that. Wild salmon, $11.99 for wild salmon. Great price for that. You could take a look at the color and you instantly know that it's wild because of the rich orange fillets. Ryan makes fantastic meatballs, so we're gonna grab ourselves some ground beef. Ribeye steaks. I am a ribeye girl all the way. This is USDA choice ribeye for $13.99. Tender, juicy, and flavorful. I agree, 100%. Adding that in. Now I love hot links. If you did not see my keto Costco haul, you gotta watch it. I'm a hot link girl, and they have this uncured pork and beef hot link. So we're gonna check this out. Uncured apple smoked bacon, and they are the thick slices, which is what I prefer. Okay, Parmesan. Perfect. This is what we're gonna need for the Tuscan Alfredo creamy chicken. It's shredded, ready to go. This is the organic jumbo. Wanna always make sure that none of them are cracked. Do you do this? This is what we always do. And because we're making that creamy Tuscan chicken, we're gonna grab some heavy cream. We're gonna do the organic here. We are out of butter, all right. So Kerrygold, $3.19. Okay, we're gonna do the salted. I don't say this lightly when I say this. These are the best nuts I've ever had. I am gonna repeat that. These are the best nuts I have ever had. These are the roasted salted pecan halves. They're so addicting. I mean, I have to exercise self-control when it comes to this boy. When you buy almond butter, you want to make sure that you read the labels because sometimes they add sugar to the almond butter. Now, you just want almonds, that's all you want. And if you take a look at this here, the only thing it contains is almonds, that's it. just the almonds. And this is creamy. They also have crunchy as well. I'm gonna go with the creamy today. Trader Joe's has so many unique things that you could only get here at Trader Joe's. So if you take a look at this here, this is all the seasonings that are special to Trader Joe's, and I'm gonna point out a couple of my favorites. I'm not grabbing them today because I have them already. The first one would be this. This is everything but the bagel sesame seasoning. If you have not made keto bagels, please, please do yourself a favor. Make it and sprinkle this guy on there. It is so, so good. You'll thank me later. And this one here, this is the chili lime seasoning blend. A lot of people say that it's comparable to tahini. I've actually heard some people say that it's better than tahini. I know I'm gonna get some people that are like, no way. You gotta check it out yourself to see if it really is better than tahini, so chili lime seasoning. And then of course they have their peppercorn here. This is what I use. I love fresh cracked pepper. Something about it, once you go fresh, you can't go back. So this is matcha tea, ready to go for you. And I'm a green tea fanatic, so I'm gonna grab myself one. Well, let's check out what they have here. I love mint tea, I love green tea, so this is a match made here. Moroccan mint green tea it is. All right.
Boom.
Okay, Ryan wants to grab this, so we're gonna give this a try. I think we got everything and we didn't get kicked out, so that is a good sign.
Not yet, anyway.
Not yet, okay. We were about to check out and there's like 20 crew members up in front.
Let's see if we can get kicked out.
Let's see. We just checked out and this is the damage here. 92.56. Okay, we did not get kicked out. This was a major success and one of the clerks came over and asked us what we were doing, so they actually were interested in it. If you did not hate this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, be sure to click that subscribe button. Also ring that notification bell if you want to be notified on future Tippy Tales. All of my socials, everything will be linked below, including the grocery lists as well. As always, guys, we are signing off with some love and some gratitude. We will see you in the next Tippy Tales.